This is how to set screen time limits for apps on Samsung phones. So let's get started. The first step is to open settings and then search for digital well-being. You'll find this option, digital well-being and parental controls. So click on it and then scroll down and you'll find this option called app timers. So click on it and over here, select the apps you'd want to set a timer for. Let's say I want to set one for Chrome and Instagram. I've selected it and I'll click on set timer. Then here I can decide which days I want this timer. So currently it's every day. And let's say I only want it on the weekdays. I can deselect Saturday, Sunday, and then I have to set the timer. So on the left, we have hours and on the right, minutes. So if I want a timer of 15 minutes every day, I can set it like this and click on done. And as you can see, this timer has been created. So the same way, you can create different timers for different apps. Just click on the plus button, select the apps and set the timer. So this is how it works and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.